Hey everyone, Scott Holmes again here back at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today we're continuing on with our series of why to purchase a Bennington and why to purchase a Bennington from us here at MarineMax in Greenville. This is a series that we're going to be doing here throughout the fall season about all the benefits of that purchase of a product from Bennington and MarineMax. And today we're going to focus on Bennington's warranty. It's one of the biggest influences that we found besides the product quality that people are purchasing a Bennington from us in MarineMax. And one of the things that you're going to notice that when you come in and talk to us about our product here, how well versed all of us are in Bennington's warranty, not just on the sales side, but in our parts and service department as well. And we have a streamlined process to make sure that if you have a warranty claim, that it gets handled quickly and easily through everything that we set up here at the dealership. And we even offer dockside service warranty claims as well if you have not purchased a trailer or on one of our surrounding lakes. When you come in and you, first thing you'll notice is when you come in and talk to us about a Bennington, like I was saying before, we're going to know everything about that warranty. But Bennington also very clearly puts the full warranty disclosure in the back of their brochure. It tells you about all the great things that the Bennington warranty has, and it's also printed on all the mini catalogs. Again, the full warranty there on the back of the brochure again, for the customer to easily identify what's covered under a Bennington warranty. And I want to tell you a little bit about that as well. Bennington covers this boat 10 years bow to stern. And what's most important about this warranty is that it is a Bennington warranty. There's no third-party handoffs. So any of the components you see in this boat, like the Roswell stereo system, coming back here to the helm of the dash where you might have some warranty claims, the Garmin screen, the Rockford Fosgate head unit, any of the controls, switches, upholstery, the dash pieces, the latches. Like I said, it's a full bow to stern warranty covered by Bennington, parts and labor, no deductible. It doesn't matter that the Rockford Fosgate radio may only have a year warranty on it. Bennington's going to cover it for 10 full years, parts and labor. Now, the structure of our boat has a lifetime warranty, parts and labor. No prorating, no just covering parts. It covers parts and labor, no deductible, and that's on the structure of the boat and down. So things like the deck, the framing, the cross membranes, the seat bases, and things like that would all be covered by that warranty. On top of that, Bennington will allow you to transfer that warranty to the next owner at no cost, and they transfer the full warranty. And where we find a lot of confusion about with these other dealers that tell people about their product's warranty is they don't get into their fine print. So that's why Bennington puts it in their catalog proudly what's covered. Some of the things you want to look out on our competitors' warranties is they'll say that they also have a 5 or a 7 or maybe even a 10-year warranty. But guess what? It's only on the stuff that manufacturer is making themselves. So when it comes to your components, things like that Garmin and Rockford or Kicker or anything else that's in your boat, all of a sudden that dealer says, oh, well, that's covered by its own warranty and you have to deal with the supplier to get that covered, and you have to jump through a bunch of hoops. And that's not the case here with the Bennington, where Bennington covers everything, allows us here at the dealership to handle that for you at no charge. And it's just one of the biggest selling features. So next time if you're in another dealership looking at another product, ask to see their printed warranty. Most of the time, they're probably not going to give it to you. They probably don't have it. It's probably difficult to get, and the customers don't know, or the salespeople don't know the full details about it. So we challenge you to come here at MarineMax in Greenville and let us tell you about Bennington product and why they have the best warranty on the market. Thank you.